Discover the majesty of the mountains, its deep canyons and mountain lakes. Life abounds from the high tundra, down the forested slopes, to the grassy meadows below. Known as America's Swiss Alps, these are the Rocky Mountains. Rocky Mountain National Park is located in the United States of America in north-central Colorado. These majestic mountains rise high into the sky of Colorado. Deep valleys provide habitats to the wildlife here, flourishing with grasses and wildflowers. Rivers cascade down the mountainsides, replenishing the land and beautifying the scenery of Rocky Mountain National Park. The shaping of these mountains began almost 2 billion years ago. Rising from the sea, the Rockies were pushed up as the continental plate collided with the ocean plate, crinkling the area here and causing the uplift of rock and volcanic material. Geologists believe that the Rockies of today are the third set of mountains to evolve in this area. As the mountains rose up, the effects of rain and wind caused the mountains to erode. The continuing uplift and the tearing down of the mountains occurred over several million years. In fact, it is still happening. A human lifetime is a mere speck in time when compared to the vastness of geological time. During the Ice Ages, thousands of feet of snow fell in the mountains here. Over time, the snow turned into glaciers. Today, a few remain. These moving sheets of ice sheared and sculpted the mountaintops and carved their way down, creating beautiful valleys in between the peaks of the park. The Great Continental Divide runs northward through the park, cutting an imaginary line through the mountain peaks. Rivers begin their journey high in the alpine regions here. This ridge of mountains separates the water flow of the continent. Rivers on the west side of the divide flow west. These west-flowing rivers, such as the mighty Colorado, carry water from the Great Divide to the Pacific Ocean. On the east side of the divide, rivers flow easterly, meeting the Mississippi River and spilling into the Gulf of Mexico. Winds blow from the west and rise toward the divide. Moisture condenses over the western slopes, bringing rain and snow to this side of the mountains. The east side receives less precipitation, making it comparatively drier. Rocky Mountain National Park is built on a vertical landscape, providing 3 different communities of life. Each is its own ecosystem, full with plant life and wildlife. Traveling up on the Trail Ridge Road, one can see the different levels. The climate varies greatly from the canyon floors to the high mountain ridges.